3 healthy bitters, bitter like Cersei tea. If you're new to my channel is about all things natural, healthy lifestyle videos, beauty tips and more. Teeth whitening series, episode 1. Today I'll be trying out coconut oil and charcoal to whiten my teeth. I'll be trying this every week over a period of 1 month to see if this works. Okay, what I have here, I have charcoal blast teeth whitening powder and organic coconut oil. See the oil in here, and that's all you need. I have my clean bowl, a spoon to make the mixture, to mix it up. And let me put this out there as well. The charcoal blast teeth whitening powder, apparently it reduces stains and plaque, cleans and whiten teeth, eliminate bad breath, promotes healthy gum. Okay, for best result, use 1 to 2 times per week. Brush your teeth for up to 2 minutes and then rinse your mouth thoroughly. I am going to try this teeth whitening every week for 1 month. So this is the first episode. Okay, let's get into it quick and easy. So as you can see, I have some paper towel because this is like powder and I don't want to make too much mess, and that's also another reason why I'm wearing the gloves. Okay, get around this amount, around, I would say around ½ teaspoon of charcoal teeth whitening powder. Don't need a lot, maybe even less, but I will work with ½ of a tablespoon. As you can see, it's a little messy, so I will put this over here. And just to put that out there again, don't use this every day, 1 to 2 times a week. And you could say around 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. I've seen several videos about coconut oil, using coconut oil to whiten your teeth. So I said to myself, why not combine these 2 powerful natural ingredients to see if this will work. So I'm mixing it up, and that's it. Get your regular toothbrush, brush your teeth for up to 2 minutes and rinse your mouth. Rinse out your mouth. There you have it. So I am going to do this today. Today is Tuesday, and I will try this again around Thursday or Friday. And over a period of 1 month, I will let you know, and I will take some pictures. So I'm going to take a picture today. There you have it. Dip your toothbrush inside this mixture, and that's it. That is it. Please do not swallow. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.